Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am comparing Smartsheet versus Excel in 2025 and I will be honest with you. I thought the choice was obvious until I actually used both side by side. If you are managing data tracking project or building reports, this will help you decide which one fits you best. Let's get started. First of all, we have to know what they are. Let's clear up what each tools really is. Microsoft Excel uh, is a classic spreadsheet tools. You can crunch numbers, build reports, run formula, create dashboard. It's been around for decades and it is still incredibly powerful. On the other hand, Smartsheet is like a spreadsheet meets project management tools. It looks like Excel but adds team collaboration, automation, and real time tracking, perfect for business running operation and not just calculations. In short, Excel equal to best for data, formula, financial modeling, and Smartsheet is best for collaboration, planning, and workflow tracking. The key features comparison. Here's a quick breakdown of how they compare in 2025. Formulas and calculations are from Excel is excellent and Smartsheet is good but limited, and project management is strong for Smartsheet and Excel is not built in, and the real time collaboration Excel is possible but clunky and Smartsheet is built in. Templates is for Excel finance heavy, Smartsheet is workflow focused. Automation limited for Excel and Smartsheet is drag and drop automation. Integration with tools uh, is strong for Excels and Smartsheet also is strong. And learning curve high complex work for Excel and Smartsheet is easier for teams. At first I stuck with Excel. It's fast, reliable, and uh, I already knew how to use it. I use it for tracking expense, creating dashboard, and running basic project trackers. But here's the problem: collaboration was messy. People kept messing up the file. No real-time task updates. Automation basically none. That's why I gave Smartsheet a try to and I was surprised. It wasn't just a spreadsheet, it let me assign tasks, set different deadlines, build Gantt chart, automate status update, and collaborate with my team in real time. It feels like Excel but smarter. But here's the catches. Smartsheet isn't a replacement for Excel. If you need complex formulas, pivot tables, macro, or deep analytics, Smartsheet is not built for that. And it is not ideal for finance heavy work like for steering or modeling. On the other hand, Excel is not designed for managing teams or automating workflow. You will have to rely on ads on workaround. So honestly, they are built for different things. Which one is best for you? Here's my takes. Use Excel is if you are a number cruncher, building model, analyzing data, or working solo, and use Smartsheet is if you manage project, coordinate teams, and want automation and structure without coding. So want the best of both worlds. Use Smartsheet for project workflow and the Excel for deep calculations or data analysis. That's what I ended up doing and it works perfectly. So Smartsheet versus Excel in 2025, it is not about which one is better. It is about choosing the one that fits your workflow. And if this helped and you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.